Cracking Jump Nation, it's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. So those of you who've been following me for some time now, you guys know I'm on the grind 24/7, so I've just finished work, I've just stuck the lights on and I'm ready to push out this video. So this is a question that I'm getting asked day to day and I decided to make a video dedicated to speed. I've been touching on this subject for kind of a number of weeks now and I've seen a lot of beginners fall into some bad traps, and that's the fact that they just want to look quick, they want to go as fast as possible, and they believe that they're going to look slicker, they're going to look better if they can go at 100 miles an hour. In today's episode, I'm going to basically show you that you don't need to be fast, and that the fact is, if you guys can master this drill that I'm about to show you, you're going to look instantly quicker, you're going to feel quicker, you're going to make sure that your transitions can look smooth, and the fact is that if anyone's watching you, they're going to realize that you've been skipping for a very long time, because I'm going to show you one key thing. The key point we're going to talk about today is balance. Now, balance is something that is super overlooked in the jump roping world, and that's why this channel is here, guys, because we're all about making sure you guys can look slick, you can jump rope the right way, and you can get the main benefits out of your speed rope by melting fat in minutes, by improving your sporting performance, and just feel good about yourself. So the way we're gonna run this video is I'm gonna pull up a quick routine, and I wanna just highlight the key kind of benefits of focusing on balance rather than speed. And the fact is this, guys, is that if you guys can master this drill, and I mean really take it away, practice it, you guys are going to see your jump rope game skyrocket to another dimension. So before we get right into the video, if you're ready to jump rope like a boss, you need to make sure you've got the most slickest speed rope on the planet, and that is this. This is the Rush Athletic Speed Rope, aka the Money Rope. Check the hashtag on Instagram, hashtag Money Rope. Check out the thousands and thousands of people around the globe using this bad boy. Anyway, right, so let's get straight into it. I'm gonna pull up a video in 3, 2, that's 1. What I want you to concentrate on as you watch this video, and I'm gonna play it in slow motion as well to help you. I want you to watch my feet position. I want you to see just how quiet my feet stay, as in I don't move from left to right, I don't move from side to side, I don't move from front to back. When I'm making this transition, when I'm making the routines, when I'm kind of going through the motion, my feet stay in the same position at all times, and it's roughly at the point of the mat where my logo is. And this is what I want you to practice on, guys. I want you to take your rope out the next time you train, and I want you to focus on one position with your feet. I want you to really realize that the balance that you have in your body whilst you're doing transitions, whilst you're working through the routines, that's what's going to help you get quicker. The fact that I can stay in one position and kind of execute double under crossovers, double unders, crossovers at speed, different kind of arm movements, side swings, just everything. Any type of transition you do, any type of skill you do, any type of move you do, I want you to focus on keeping your feet still, as in you don't move, you don't jump laterally, you don't move forward. I want you to just focus on balance, and that's the thing. That's what's going to actually get you to look like a professional. That's what's going to get you to look like someone who's been skipping for years and years. Beginners are always making the same mistakes, and I always say it so many times. If they're not getting the fundamentals right, if they've got their arms stuck out here, or if they've got kind of footwork issues, the fact is they're never stable. They're always moving kind of in so many directions as they're pulling off double unders. They'll start in one position, they'll finish in another position, and the rope will just get tangled up. If you guys can stay in one position, and the key to staying in that same position is by engaging that core, by breathing, by just kind of focusing on what you're doing. As you're jumping, I want you to land in the same place. So as you take off, you land exactly in the same place. As you're doing a side swing, as you're doing a double under, a crossover, anything, you just focus on that foot positioning. If you guys can do that, and if you can focus right, the speed will naturally come. Always remember, guys, the formula. This is the Rush Athletics formula, the Jump Rope Coach formula. Balance plus timing equals execution. There's no speed in that formula, and the reason is this. I've always said it, speed is just kind of like an external factor that comes with time. You can't just all of a sudden become fast. You have to build on the fundamentals, your footwork, your balance, and that's what this whole video is all about, guys. A lot of people are talking about, how do you do this move, how do you do that move? I just want you guys to just focus on this, because if you guys can actually learn to stay balanced, to stay controlled, you're going to look so much more smoother. And I keep getting the same question, like I said, is how do you look so slick, how do you do it so quick? And I love answering these questions, but I wanted to make a video specifically on this. I know it sounds super cliche, but you're gonna have to put in the work, you're gonna have to put in the hard work, the practice. Just learn to love the process. Don't get frustrated with your jump rope. If you're tripping up, if it's whacking you on the back, just make sure you've got the right skipping rope, one that actually feels right for you. That's why we love this rope so much, because it just has the perfect balance, the perfect feel. And if you go on Instagram, if you go on any other platform, you'll see that a lot of people right now are benefiting so much from this rope, because you just get that feel. Trust me, I want you to get fast. I want you to look slick. And I think this drill is going to be the one. It's a short, sharp video, guys. I hope you guys can implement it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you found it useful, and also be sure to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Right, so I love you and leave you there. Without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace. What's up YouTube family, the Jump Rope Coach here. Just want to say a massive thanks for helping me build this community with you all. You guys are absolutely incredible. Your support is my oxygen, and all I want to do is create more and more value for you all. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be up to date with all the latest tutorials and workouts coming your way. So without further ado guys, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.